your ride this morning, and Johnny, look outside. I mean, it's just wet out there.
Yeah, it's been kind of nasty all morning long, unfortunately, but we're starting to look better here. We were jammed a while ago. This run eastbound
8 weeks
435.
today.
It's a Blackman Road between K10
Who's
and
8 weeks today?
on that camera lens, and we've been looking through that all morning
There's
long.
my baby girl.
Driving around without the rush hour.
Losing a sock.
And 35 degrees,
Probably pooping
degrees
right now.
above freezing has made all the difference in the world.
Hi,
This morning, no
baby.
ice to worry about. Johnny Rollins, News
Hi, baby. So big. So big today. Are you going to smile? You going to smile? Where's that smile? Where's that smile, baby? Oh, yep. So that's what you get, Mom, for waking me up with the camera. A little toot in your face. We'll come back.